So if you have clicked on this video, you probably want to create hyper-realistic AI videos for free without attaching your credit card and with unlimited generations. Well, I have found it something insane. It's faster, cinematic, and even does not ask for your credit card. And no, it's not one of those paid, overhyped tool you've already seen. You can generate your videos, product ads, anything you want. And the best part is you can write prompt in here, you can add an image and animate that image, and even you can post, download, and add music to this videos. So now let me show you some examples. We have this video that I have just created. Look at this. Amazing, right? Realistic and amazing. Wow. I have a few more examples. Amazing. Nice. Look at these. You can generate these kind of videos. These are really realistic. Look at this. Oh.
I was broke. I filled your cup until it overflowed. Took it so far to...
So if you like any video, what you can do in this tool, that you will see the prompt, the exact prompt that they have used to generate this video. So what you have to do is just copy and paste. So now let me tell you the name of this app. This is meta.ai. Yes, you hear that right. Meta.ai. It's from Meta and it's completely for free. The good news is that you can even download its app. It's in App Store and Play Store as well. You just have to go in App Store and Play Store and just search for meta.ai and you will see the app. You can generate videos in mobile as well. So now I'm in my desktop and just search meta.ai. You will see a sign up page and just sign up with your Instagram or Facebook account and you will be able to see something like this. And now what you can do is if you have any kind of image that you have generated, want to animate that, you want to create images and then create videos from that, you can do that as well. So now I have a prompt. I will copy this and now I will paste in here. That's it. As you can see, this is now generating images for our videos, and this is way more faster than the tools which are overhyped in the market. So now if you like these images, you can just go to proceed with animate button, and if you don't like this, what you can do is now click on regenerate. So I think these are hyper realistic and I love them. So I will click on animate, and as you can see, I'm not cutting a single part of this video just to show you how fast this tool is. And now it started generating videos for us. I will wait it, and till then let's see some examples, some videos. Wow. So what you can do is in vibe section, you can get the idea and you see the prompt, copy that and create videos for yourself, and then just paste it into your social media and you will be able to have these kind of such amazing AI videos. As you can see, our videos are generated, and let me click on this. Wow, amazing. Till now it is generated. And now if you like this video, let's suppose, so what you can do is just click on extend animation and you will be able to extend it. Means this is 5-second video and you need it for 10, 15, and even 60 seconds. So you can click on extend and add your prompt. And by the way, you can download it from here. You can even post it in here. Maybe in future Meta will show ads on these videos and you will be able to monetize your profile. What you can do, add any kind of description and the prompt that you want to share, and then musics, so it have its own music so that you can add on your videos. So now let's go with another example. This was creating videos from scratch. What if I have my own image and then I want to animate that image, right? So what you have to do is just click on animate my photo. I will select any of these photos that I have. Let's go with this one. I'll just say you can add your prompt in here. I will say animate. Once it's uploaded successfully, you have to just click on send. And now it's start generating video of your image. It's good for image to video generation as well. So now as you can see, it's like almost there and almost finished. Amazing. And it is way more faster. Now let's wait for a bit. Boom, our video is generated. As you can see, this image is now animated and working properly. If you like this, what you can do is just simply download it from here. I will download it. As you can see, it's downloaded here and it's working. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and share this video with your friends and like this video. Daud Khan signing off.